¿Listo para mejorar tu inglés? Recarga tu aprendizaje con nuestros videos llenos de diálogos e historias interesantes. Ahora, ponte cómodo y recarguemos tu inglés.
Hey there. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Jose. What about you?
I'm Laura. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am teacher.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing volleyball.
So, Laura, what brings you here?
I'm here for the conference. I'm pretty excited about it. How about you?
Same here. I have heard some good things about it. By the way, do you know what time it is?
Sure, it is 9 a.m.
Thanks. So, where are you from?
I'm from Colombia. And you?
I'm from Mexico. Small world.
Totally. So how's the weather been today?
It's been sunny and warm. Pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, tell me about it. So what's your favorite food?
I'm a big fan of pasta. What about you?
I love hamburger. Have you ever been to New York?
Yeah, I went there a couple of years ago. It's an amazing city. Have you been?
Not yet, but I'd love to go someday. Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have one sibling. What about you?
I have 2 siblings. Cool. So what's your favorite hobby?
I love to watch TV. It's a great way to relax. What about you?
I like reading. It's a lot of fun.
That's awesome. Well, it was great meeting you, Laura.
You too, Jose. Maybe we can hang out sometime.
Definitely. Here's my number.
Great. I'll give you a call.
Sounds good. See you later.
Bye.